You already know what it is. It's your boy Laid Back with another reaction, another review, another episode. Hey, Andy Mineo Wordsplayed. You up to bat. Bah!
Tell me I ain't the fucking go.
It's your boy Laid Back. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, two things we gotta do. You gotta hit that subscribe button. I'm drinking this water. You already know what it is, man. Focus on you in 2022. Focus on you. All right, so we back. It's Friday, so you already know what that means, man. This came directly from my Patreon. Shout out to my fucking Patreon, man. I take all my requests at my Patreon. It'll be in the pinned comment. They wanted me to check out Andy Mineo and Wordsplayed, dunk contest, Magic Bird. I think this is my first reaction to Andy Mineo on the channel and Wordsplayed. But let's go ahead and get into it. This is Trash or Pass. Fire Squad. What's poppin'? Let's get it.
Yeah. Low. Yeah. 360 in the contract. Never that. I just take the contact. I bring it back. I'm running on the fast break. Behind the back.
Hey.
Yeah, this that penny with the shack.
If he's passing me the rock, it might not get it back.
Hey.
They never gave a hand, now they wanna give me that. I don't
Never gave me a handout, but they want to give me dap. Fast break behind the back. Penny and Shaq, come on.
know where you been. I got fear of God, ain't no fear of man. These them air Mineos, yeesh, need a pair of them.
LA, man, I feel like magic. LA, I can't stand the traffic. West side for the vacation. Yeah, Westbrook on the isolation.
So New York City gotta keep it Mickey Mantle, the bubble jacket with the piffy winkle camo, From Argentina, it's a military.
Hello with the wicked. I don't know where he was. The wicked. That shit was hard.
And Lloyd said don't mix the pitbull with the shit, so don't do it.
I just threw it off the backboard. Game winner, I'm the one they asked for. Magic,
Bird,
magic,
bird,
magic,
bird,
magic,
bird,
magic,
bird,
magic,
bird.
magic.
Yeah, 4th grade teacher said he need medication.
4 shows, 5 days, I need meditation.
6 deep, Peter Luger made the reservation.
Pass the check right in, no hesitation.
Spotify to show the kid love. I'm like, what a week. Everybody trying to get my plug number for the years. Woo, I told my love.
I can relate. Spotify definitely be showing love. Every now and again, you will see, like, you know what I'm saying, your algorithm boost up. Spotify done put you in a playlist. Make sure y'all check me out on Spotify, Laid Back. Shameless plug.
Baby, we should leave. Then we go and get the fun. That's that Vietnamese. Yeah, so shout out all the single mothers, 2 jobs, 3 kids. I call that a triple double. Call plays in the huddle. God, I'm in trouble. Shorties want me sub 'em in, and they sure ain't being subtle.
Well, now the hometown kids finally took the tour foreign. I don't ever chase dreams, man, I stalk them. Had to tell myself, stop grinning when they walked in. Cause you were showing no love, I knew all in. Wow, took a Gatorade shower. Yes, I do. Game time, I'm like Jock Bauer.
Hey.
2, 3 every 24 hours. They know it's the lo-fi with the most high power.
Hey.
I just threw it off the
Lo-fi with the most high-fi power. God, that was hard.
backboard. Game winner, I'm the one that asked for it.
Magic,
Bird,
magic,
bird,
magic,
bird,
magic,
bird,
magic,
bird,
magic,
bird.
magic.
Magic and Bird, the rivalry continues.
Andy Mineo's in the house tonight.
All right, that was Andy Mineo and Wordsplayed, dunk contest, Magic Bird, Trash or Pass. Now, I do think the beat could have been hitting a little bit harder, like with the bass and stuff like that. They could have turned that shit up a little bit, had that shit bass going crazy. But I like it. I like the flows. I like how they played off the Magic Bird, you know what I'm saying, the black-white thing, you know what I'm saying. I like that. Like I said, the beat could have been hitting a little bit harder. But I like the flow. I like what they were saying too. Lo-fi with a high-fi power. That was just I like how they play off of that type of stuff. Real subtle, but it's super dope. And that NWO shirt was hard. But you already know what you gotta do, man. Drop your rating in the comments below. Is that a trash or a pass? Also, hit that subscribe button. It's your boy Laid Back, self-love and positivity. Check me out on Spotify too, don't forget. Till next time, Fire Squad, I got you and you know it. Hey!